Husband doesn't really happy every time I buy something.
It's not happy yet. It's just
Lalab, I'm leaving. And don't play with fire. Okay?
I like fire.
Don't play with fire.
I like
Fire. Honey, what is that? It's a hose? I need the wallet. So, aalis ako mga loves. Pero, alam niyo ba, sinabihan ko siya na hindi siya umalis. Bawal siyang umalis. So, sabi niya, baka alis daw ako habang wala ako. And then, gamitin niya yung itim na sasakyan. Para yung tangki, lagyan daw niya ng gas. So, magkabuang talaga siya. Sobrang bigat yan kapag may gas na. So, kaya sabi ko, gamitin ko yung malaking sasakyan para hindi siya makalakyad at hindi siya magano. Kasi sasakit yung likod. Ang tigas ng ulo nito. Tingnan, naglalaro na ng kanyang ng gas niya.
Oh, the size too small.
Oh, this is
too big.
this is tax paper. Leave it here, ha?
Yeah,
So, alis lang ako mga loves. And then, yeah. I'm going na, love. Okay? I'm feeling the crumpy, honey. My crumbs ako mga loves.
Drive careful. Love you on. Be careful.
I love you too, babe.
Cheese and what else?
Mayonnaise. And listen to me, no fire, huh?
I like fire.
Fire, higher. May hi nilagi ba? I like fire, higher. My crumbs, sumakit tuloy yung anak ko.
Have fun. I'll talk to you later.
I'll FaceTime you. The bag, I'll show it to you, okay?
Yeah.
Yun mga loves, ang ganda ng mga ibon. Katulad namin, puti-puti. Kaputi ng ibon. Ang ganda. Nandito na naman kami sa Walmart. And ang plano is, bilhin ko na yung bag. Ipa-FaceTime ko lang si Tammy kasi hindi siya sumama. Kasi sabi pa niya, if you're going out with Brenda, then go with Brenda.
Anong bag?
Yung luggage, carry on be. Maliit na ba ang carry on daw ngayon? Sobrang liit na. Unsa naman ang weight ni mo? Pagpasok natin sa Walmart, pumunta agad tayo sa ating para sa mukha, no? Bumili ako ng serum na nabudol ako sa serum at bumili tayo ng facial thing. And dito si Brenda ay.
Box yan, babe.
Ha?
Isa kang box yan.
Oo, pero 30 na pala. So ito, bumili ako nito mga loves. And then dito na naman si Brenda. Wala, magkaano yan? Upi, mahal man yan, be. O 11 yan, oy mahal. Upi, dito $1 o $2 dito. O diba, ganyan ang mga mabili da. And then madaling matanggal. Dito yung silver, be, yung kinuan ko sa iyo. Maganda yung silver.
Mahal pa din. Sa
4. Yun yung ba yung gamit ko? Gutom na ako mga loves, hindi na ako makaano. Ito na. Oh my guys, nagulat ako sa presyo mga loves. Hala, ang mahal pala nito, be 30, be. Parang katulad lang nitong bag. Ito,
Magkano yan?
Ito 42, ito 30. Ha? 29. Ang mahal ng serum. Huwag kang mag-serum. Pero maganda daw sa mukha.
May serum ako.
Anong gamit mo? Be.
Gutom na ako.
Be. Yan pa yung sabi mo na okay na. Hindi na tayo magpunta doon. Parehas tayo. Nagutom hindi na kinaya. Be. First try and never again.
Ulay.
Ang mahal ng ulay.
Okay.
Alam mo Bina, ang Olay at L'Oreal tinitesting nila sa animals.
Bakit?
Yun yung ano nila. Hala. Ang mamahal ng mga sasakyan. Andito pa talaga sila. Pangbuguin ko kayo. Ang ibon din. Matatakot naman ako nito nila. Alam man nila lumipad na. Parang dito sila lahat, no? Mga loves, so ngayon andito tayo sa traffic. Traffic na naman si Indemirian. Oh my God, look at this. Dito tayo na traffic. So I guess matagal pa tayo dito kasi parang may construction doon na side. Oh, nako, talagang buhay na to. Sus, iwan ko ba? Hindi ko alam kung bakit nag-continue ako dito na route. Pauwi na ako mga loves, and yun, na-drop ko na si Brenda. Pagkatapos namin kumain doon sa Filipino store, yan. At si Tami, naghihintay na yun. No? Hindi naman ako magluto kasi meron naman doong mga leftover din ako. So kaya yun. Kaya ayun. Nag-package na naman si Tami. Sa kay Tami ba to? Yep. Dali natin sa loob. Ang bigat naman ito. Ano ba to? Ang dami namang order ni Tami.
Carry a full-size one. This one lies down. The ones I have only stand up, but
This one stands up too.
yeah, but I'm figuring out how to do that yet.
You don't know?
Yeah,
I think you have to lay it down or you take it out.
The handle has to twist somehow. I'm not sure how that works though.
There's no instruction?
No, but that's not the key. Here's the key. Watch. So I could pull this.
Mm-hmm.
Go down, right?
Okay.
Pull this.
Oh. Oh.
And then pull this. That fits in the car nice.
Oh.
And then this.
Oh.
Oh, so this is the other handle. So
Of course, that's the other handle. I think you can take it off. There is a string over there. There is kind of string, oh. Like this, oh. This one, what is this for?
that's the
Okay, to leave it. Okay. So, that's your order. How much is that, love?
$75. They give me $5 off for being a first-time customer.
Oh.
So $70.
And this is what I got, mga
You know
loves.
the little one I get, the little one that folds
Yeah,
down?
yeah, yeah.
You know what they're selling that for?
What?
$189.
Seriously?
Yeah. And that's what Stevie gave me the last time to carry.
Yeah, I remember.
I can't. It's just too much stuff. So I ordered this.
Yeah, but if you a lot of file in that one, that means you have
It
to.
says 400 pounds. So.
Okay, that means if you carry a lot of stuff with that, you have to carry also with you a
Straps.
strap. So this is my luggage to mga loves. Oh, look at that. My husband doesn't really happy every time I buy something.
It's not happy yet. It's just I don't know how.
They're fine. It's just really carry on. No one will.
No, but it doesn't seem that strong.
It's
It's
just
not protected for. You have to make sure your laptop is in something else.
Yes.
It's not really protected. It seems very.
It's carry on, honey. It's no one is gonna throw it out in a like not the other luggage.
I guess.
Yeah.
This moves easy.
Yeah, and it's getting smaller and you can make it.
That's why I got it, because it shrinks down to nothing.